In today's video, I am going to teach you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in Draw, IO for Confluence and Jira. We are going to do this directly in the diagrams editor using the built-in expand and collapse controls that are designed for mind maps. This is helpful when your diagram starts to grow, because collapsing branches lets you focus on one section at a time, keep your canvas clean, and make large mind maps easier to review. Start by opening your diagram in the Draw, IO editor, also known as Diagrams, Net. You can do this from within Confluence or Jira when you edit a diagram, or by opening the editor in your browser and loading your file. Once you are in the editor and your mind map is visible on the canvas, make sure you are looking at a mind map structure with parent topics and child branches. Next, click on the area of the mind map you want to work with so it is highlighted. Highlighting matters because it makes it clear which branch you are targeting, and it helps you avoid collapsing the wrong section when the diagram is busy. As you move your cursor over a parent topic, look closely near the connecting branches. You will see small plus and minus icons appear on the parent branch when you hover. These icons control whether the children under that branch are shown or hidden. When you click the minus icon, the branch collapses and the child topics under it are hidden. When you click the plus icon, the branch expands again and all of those child topics return. If you do not see the plus or minus controls right away, move your cursor directly over the parent topic or along the branch line and pause briefly. The icons are hover-based, so they only appear when you are in the right spot. You can also control this through the menu. Go to the Extras menu, then choose the Collapse Expand option. This toggles the same expand and collapse behavior using the menu instead of the hover icons, which can be easier if you prefer consistent controls or if you have many branches close together. These expand and collapse interactions work inside the editor, and they also work when the diagram is published on a Confluence page or viewed in Jira, so your viewers can navigate complex mind maps more comfortably. That covers everything you need to know.